student of class 8. Today I will teach you English literature chapter The Man in the Train. Here, yesterday I had already introduced the chapter and first and second page. Now page number 38 we are going to. So here Mrs. Blake was frightened, very frightened. What ought she to do? Pull the alarm cord above her head and stop the train. But what shall I say to the guard when he comes? She asked herself, and I cannot be sure that this is the man. If it is the man in the picture, what will he do if I get up to pull the cord? The man was still reading his newspaper, and Mrs. Black went on watching him over her magazine. If only I had that newspaper John wanted to buy me, she thought. I could have a look at the picture again and be sure. Now, here, explanation, listen carefully. Mrs. Black was frightened. You know that actually Mrs. Black was traveling to Eastbourne, and now in the compartment there is another person, tall like this person, and now she was thinking that he is like his picture is published in the newspaper. It means he's criminal. Something is, but what she was totally frightened. She was totally fearful, and now thinking to pull what means chain. Alarm cord means chain, pulling chain in the train. You have noticed, okay, to stop the chain. But another time, again she was confused that when police will come, then what she will tell about why she has done this. So this is the reason she has not able to pull the chain. And what again she has noticed that the man is still what he was doing, is still reading the newspaper. She has noticed over her magazine, and after actually she was thinking if she has the newspaper, then she can confirm it, who is this criminal or any other person. But is Mr. Black has said, but she refused that she has already read the newspaper. And again, after some time, the man put down his paper and looked out of the window. As she watched him, Mrs. Black became the certain that he was the man in the picture, a killer who always uses a knife, the paper had said. Then she remembered something else from the newspaper, a story something about a woman killed by this man in a train. After some time, what happened? That man, he has stopped reading the newspaper and looking out of the window. When he was looking out of the window, now Mrs. Black has noticed him carefully. And now, after this, she remembered that this is the killer. And that killer actually uses always a knife to kill any person. And she has already means here message about a killing the man in a train. And suddenly she sat up. The man's hand was moving toward the pocket of his coat. Slowly he put his hand into his pocket and took out a knife. Carefully he opened the blade, a long blade, pointed at the end. Suddenly she sat up. Now what happened? Mrs. Black sat up, and the man's hand was moving towards a man's hand where his hand was moving towards his coat's pocket. And now he has took out a knife, sharp knife, and he has opened the blade also. And that blade is actually long blade. Okay. And after that, Mrs. Black wanted to jump out to her feet and scream for help, but she could not move. Fear held her. Only her eyes watched the open knife in the man's hand. Now his other hand began to move towards his pocket. He is looking for a handkerchief to put over my mouth so that no one will hear me, she thought, but instead he took out an apple and began to peel it slowly, putting the peel carefully into a paper bag that he also took out from his pocket. Now after looking what sharp knife, what Mrs. Black totally fearful, and now this time she was wanting to jump for why for help, to cry out for help. But next time again she was watching that this man is opening his its knife And now what? But next time he is looking for a handkerchief for this. But she thought that no one will hear me, she thought, but instead he took out an apple and began to peel. And actually, she was thinking for to kill or something. But what happened? This man has taken out his knife. Why? To peel. What? To peel an apple. And after peeling, he has started to peel and putting the peel where in a paper bag. That is also from his pocket. Okay. Up to here I had explained you. Rest Mrs. Black breathes to up to the last. Tomorrow I will tell you. Okay. Thank you for today.